How's it going, everybody? It's Dustin here. Well, we're off the farm today. We've got the International hooked up to the tandem dual, got the skid steer on it. So we've been doing a little side work, and we've made a few trips up here. Hopefully today or tomorrow we can finish this little project. This guy's had a lot of drainage issues, so we've been cutting a few ditches in and building a pad for a swimming pool and a few other things. So I'll show you around the project, and then we'll go from there. So here's a ditch, a drainage ditch that we cleaned out, and we mucked all this garbage out of the pond, out of the ditch, and the ditch is working well. We just gotta take care of all this excess dirt now. Here's the 60. We've had it over here for a little while, digging these ditches. So here's the main ditch that we dug across this property, and it's worked out great, but we've got to slope the sides so the skids don't fall in it. So that's what we're going to start on today, is sloping the sides of this ditch. And this is a pad that we started on for a swimming pool. So we're trying to branch out a little bit from our own farm and try and make this equipment make us some money, so we can do more things at the farm. So I'm gonna unload the skid steer and see if we can get started. day 2. The 325G went down. Something got up in here and jammed the fuel pump. The fuel pump got big tree set. So the fuel pump's quit working. Of course, we had to take the door off because it won't start. It's always a pain in the butt. They've got a release for the boom, but when the bucket is down, you're pretty well out of luck. So we had to take the door off, got all the panels off, had to make a trip to John Deere. $135 later for this little cheesy chatter pump, and hopefully we can get going again. Well, here's the old one. Definitely got smashed. So we're gonna switch this out and hopefully get it back going. Well, it's running again. So we got the boom up out of the way. We can put the door and all the panels back on it. What a pain in the butt. Well, we got done just in time. We got our pad built for the customer swimming pool. We got our ditch done. Nice drainage ditch. Before, the water came behind those trees and made a hard 90 down this ditch, so it didn't work at all. But this ditch here looks like it ought to do the trick. We've had the ditch dug for a little while, so we know it works. We just sloped it off and finished it. Got this ditch as done as we could. It's still holding water, but it's pretty swampy through here. So got the skid steer put back together after a little fuel pump mishap. Everything's good on it. It is filthy. As soon as we get it home, we've got to dig out the tracks and wash it. But so we've been trying to expand what we're doing on the farm with just the pumpkin patch. So we're trying to make this get this equipment to make us a little bit of money. So this job went pretty good. We got a couple more lined up, and the International's holding up good, hauling the equipment around way better than the pickup was. So definitely glad we did that. So got a little bit of work to do to the truck before we get to going too far away from the house. So, but if you would hit the like button, hit subscribe, and we appreciate it. You all have a great day.